Empress Locks Mitchell, Brooklyn Canal, say I up yourself to the fullest. You don't know it's the time of the strong one. Empress, more life. People talk, that's what they do. They don't understand how Empress Locks a push and go through. Yes, they laugh, they call me names, but they just don't get it. Oh, them see me, I hold my head up just the same. When them see me, them just keep on talking. Empress no see them, she just keep on walking. I got my pride, me nah go show my bad side. Some of them see me as a big pushover. Want me fi dead, I want me fi kill over. Oh no, not I. Empress Locks will survive. Empress, never let them get you down. Never let them see you frown. Never let them lead you astray. Starting today, live your life your way. Never let them get you down. Never let them see you frown. Never let them take away your liberty. Live your life and be free, I say. Now feel no heartache. Empress now feel no pain. Some of them end up in a desert, and I wonder why the hell it not rain. When them pass them judgment, it not left no stain. When them talk out the things them try to mash up your life,